This is a Gator rolling case for two K12s. Basically the same for the K10s and stuff. And it'll come without the casters here attached. And a bunch of these little guys. These are 1/2 inch hex. So that'll fit perfect, a 1/2 inch hex. And then you want to put the locking washer first and then the flat washer next, and that way the compression that this locking sort of spring-loaded washer does applies that pressure to the washer, which then keeps your stuff in here. So you can see that right there. And if you look at the ones that they send that attach the base here plate to the actual case, that's how they have them as well. So that's it. Put them on. I like to put the locking washers, one there, or sorry, locking wheels, one on one corner, one on the other corner here. That way, no matter what side of this case you're on, you always have a lock on a wheel. Sometimes folks will just have one locking wheel on a case too, but then if it's in a van or something and that locking wheel's in the back, you can't reach it. So that's it. That's how you set them up and put them on. And I like to finger tighten them all down like that, and then come back with the hex wrench and feel them all out, make sure they're tight but not stupidly tight.